Hey everybody, what's up? This is Guro JD Olsen right here at Keishidojo Martial Arts Unleashed, and you've clicked on this video because you are interested in the different types of attacks with the stick. And today, for Tips and Tricks Thursday, we're going to talk about your different types of angles of attack and how we do these, and also the different feed methods. We have what we call a lob tick, where I pull that weapon through. And I'm going to use 4 different angles of attack systems to kind of portray these different ones. We're going to go 1 through 4, maybe 1 through 5, not super crazy, but understand the first one is a lob tick, okay? And using the Lacoste, the angles of attack, I just pull that weapon through, okay? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, and thrust for 5. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, 5. One more time. These are lob ticks, meaning to pull it through or follow through. Now we have our Witt tick. I'm going to use the martial arts limited angles of attack for this. So at this point I hit and I retract. It's not a pull through, it's a dead stop. Think about it like, the way I think about it is I hit to the belly button and then I pull back. Hit to the belly button, pull back. Hit to the belly button, pull back. Hit to the belly button, pull back. Hit to the belly button and pull back. And that's 1 through 5 martial arts limited. So retract, 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 retract. Okay? Now, if we go into our Illistissimo with our Redondo. So if I go here, I just pull it all the way through. Pull it all the way through. It's a double hit. Pull it all the way through. Pull it all the way through. And thrust. So again, 2 hits on that line, 2 hits on that line, 2 hits on that line, 2 hits on this line. And this is our Illistissimo pattern. Again, Redondo is like a double hit. And last but not least, we have our Florete. Florete is kind of like the fake. That's actually how I remember it. It starts with an F. So Florete is a fake. Think of it if I'm going to swing this angle and the opponent is going to do a defense, a stick-up defense, I would simply drop and then hit. So as they go to respond to that first part of that hit, it's dropped off, and then by the time their hand gets into play, I should be able to score hitting their hand. So the Florete, using the Lameko angles of attack, so as I swing, I just pull through. As I swing, I pull through. As I swing, I pull through. As you swing, you pull through. And then you thrust and pull it across. So if you just think this is here, drop and then go. This is cutting up on this line. Again, I drop and then I go. Same over here, drop and go, drop and go. A Redondo follows the line. A Florete cheats the line. That's how you kind of remember it. Just think of this versus just like that. And there you have it. Tips and Trick Thursday. I gave you 4 different ways to feed a stick. I also gave you 4 different angles, 1 through 5, out of the 4 major systems that we teach here at the Keishidojo, and also what I use for Martial Arts Limited's Filipino Martial Arts program. So you now have that all done in less than 5 minutes. You guys know what to do. Hit that like button if you like the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Help us out. And last but not least, hit that bell icon so you know the next video is coming out. From all of us here, we got Technique Tuesday. We got Tips and Trick Thursday. Awesome. You guys stay safe. This is Guro JD, and I'm out.
Thank you.